Hello everyone. First make a circle and after that you just have to make a cross at the center, and these are going to represent some of the features of this beautiful flower. That's actually some of the petals of this flower. At the center you just have to make the more lines and you just have to make the stalk area and the leaves. Fill it with some of the bright colors. This activity is very simple. Let's move further. Try to make a cute little flower. Again, you just have to first make a curvier portion that's somewhat similar to the U shape. After that, you just have to make some of the lines and you just have to minutely make some of the inner lines that will represent the stamen area, and the leaves are to be made. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's move further and try to make some another type of the plant. For this one, you just have to make a circular shape that's not wholly circle but somewhat half circle. After that, you just have to make the sample area and the bigger leaves are to be made. This activity is again very simple. You can make use of the white color to decorate it further. Let's make a cross at the center. After that, you just have to make another cross. Now you just have to join all these crosses together and you just have to make somewhat triangular type of the shape. This is very good and very easy. Fill it with some multiple colors. This activity is again very good and very nice. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with another type of the activity. For this one, you may require a marker. You just have to make a circle and after that you just have to make a rose out of it. You can just pause the video and you just have to follow each step properly. Don't forget to make the thorns in the stalk area and fill it with the right bright color and the green one. Let's move further and try to make this cactus leaf inspired plant. For this one, you just have to make a curvy body. After that, you just have to join all these lines. Now you just have to make some of the spiny type of the area from the upper portion and the leaves are to be made. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is medium difficult. Let's move further. Try to make the another type of the plant. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. You just have to be very careful while you are making some of the curves because these will represent the shape of the whole flower. So you just have to be very careful while you are making these curves. This activity is very simple. Definitely give it a try. Let's try to move further and try to make a cute little tulip, and for this one you just have to make a U shape. After that, a triangular at the center one. Now the stalk is to be joined and a big, we can say big leaves are to be made. This activity is very good and very easy. Let's try to make a Christmas tree. For this one, you may require a marker and you just have to fill it with a zigzag manner, and after that you just have to make a trunk using the brown marker. At the top area, you just have to make a star and decorate it with the rest of the bells using some multiple colors, and the dots are to be made. Let's move further with another activity. You may require the red and the pink and the yellow color. For this one, you just have to make some circles, and after that, with the help of the fluid, you just have to make the markings in between, and after that, you just have to make a bow, and that will going to represent the cute little bouquet of the flowers. And don't forget to make some of the leaves using the green color. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a cute little flower. For this one, you just have to make a circular shape. After that, you just have to make some more petal area. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused. You can even make use of the pencil first so that you can follow the each step properly. You can even erase it using the eraser if there is some mistake. So first make it with the pencil, then decorate with the bright black marker. Let's move towards another activity and try to make the lotus flower. For this one, you just have to make these type of the sepals that are apparent on your screens that are somewhat similar to the triangular shapes, and you just have to make a big leafy area. That's a characteristic feature of this rose. Fill it with the pink and the green color. Let's move further towards our another and the last activity. Mark some of the crosses and decorate it with some of the leaves. Thank you.